Welcome to the Matrix Uploaded. We're now dealing with percentages. Without wasting time, let's look at what percentages do. Okay. If you look at this, we have percent mean per 100, always. We don't tell you per over 100. It's what you must always know. And again, there are different ways of writing the same value. Like we can write the value as a percentage, like 30%. It's okay, we can leave it like that. Or we can write it as a fraction. Instead of going 30%, we go 30 over 100. As I said, percentage means per 100. You must always go over 100. That is percentage. Or we can write it as a decimal number. Like you simply go 30 divided by 100 on your calculator gives you 0.30. This is another way of expressing the percentage. Right. Now, we're now writing as a percentage. It's fine. But let's see what I mean. Writing as a percentage. We hear 0.50 as a percentage. Where do you go? Where do you go? You simply multiply this by 100. If you multiply 0.50 by 100, you are writing it as a percentage. You have 50. And then you must write like percentage, meaning 50 over 100 will go back to 0.50. And we have 0.8 as a percentage. Remember, guys, I spoke of this previously. I said there is invisible zero there. There is invisible zero there. Then if you multiply 0.80 by 100 will get you to 80. Meaning 0.8 is actually 80%. Be careful of that. There is invisible zero there. Cool. 1 means 100%. Of course. 1 times 100 gives you 100%. I know that this looks like it's not nice, but you have to know this as 0, then you have 100%. Cool. Calculating a percentage of a quantity. Right. We need percentage of a quantity. We have 15% of 100. What does it mean? Simple stuff, guys. 15% of, the word of is in between the two numbers. Then change of to multiplication. Where do you go? 15 over 100, as I said, percent means over 100 times 100. Okay, which 100? This 100 is from percent. The second 100 is from this number, 15. Put the whole thing on a calculator, then you get 15. Cool. What about 12.6% of 200? Same procedure. Don't lose anything. Don't lose the gist, guys. Where are we? We on 12.6 over 100 times 200 on a calculator, freely so, 25.2. Meaning 12.6% of 200 gives you 25.2. 15% of 100 gives you 15. Is how we work with percentage. Now, we have got this table. The table shows the percentages of learners in each grade at Holley High School. The school has 804 learners, 804 learners. Cool. But let's look at the breakdown. The breakdown in terms of percentages. Cool. The school in grade 8 has 25%. Here, the information is not clear. You need some calculation. Just say 25%. And it does not mean 25 learners. Doesn't mean that. And this one, 18%, which does not mean 18 learners. 10, grade 10, 20%, which does not mean 20, and so on. Look at the breakdown. Cool. Now we go. How many learners are in grade 11? In here. But in grade 11 is 15%. Now, here we go. In grade 11, we're saying is 15% of the total number of students in the school, because the fraction will be 15% of that. It's a small fraction. Then when you put this on a calculator, we have 120.6. And you have, guys, you have 120.6. You forget the context. Then you're saying, I have 120.6, then you stop there. Look, you rather say approximately, look at my sign here. Look at my sign. Approximately 121 learners in grade 11. Here, we just say approximately. However, even if you go 120 here, I think you're not wrong. But we're saying approximately there. It's fine. My point here is you cannot leave it as 120.6. Really, you cannot leave. Let's look at the next question. From the table that you have seen, I think you took it down. From that table, we say how many learners make 5% of grade 8 learners. Now, it's a bit tricky. We need 5% of grade 8 learners. What do we go? We go back to the table and find the percentage of grade learners for the whole school. We find that grade 8 learners takes 25%, meaning 25% of 804. Firstly, I must get the number of grade 8 learners. How to get that? To go back to the table, get the percentage for grade 8. You have this. This is number of learners for grade 8. 201 learners. Cool. 201 learners. Now, take it. We're going to find now 5% of 201. Look, we're doing the second set of calculations. Now I'm using 5%. This 5% must find grade 8 learners there. Number of grade 8 learners, it must find that. Let's have a look. Cool. And then 5% of 201 now. Can you see now? Happy. 5 over 100 times 201. What is that? 5% of 201 learners in grade 8 is roughly, look at my sign there. You must learn this sign from now onwards, meaning approximately. I'm not sure because the calculations give me decimals, but I'm saying approximately 10 learners can be 9 learners. Cool. Round off, guys. Always round off to the nearest number of learners. Cool, guys. See you in the next segment.